Okay, let's look at lesson 2, standard American yellow card. So this is rebids by the opener. So in this lesson, we're going to look at continuing the bidding. So with this hand, we've got a 12 count. We've opened a diamond and partners bid a spade. We're now going to bid one no trump. Okay, so in modern ACOL, we would just open this hand with 12 points with a one no trump. But playing SAYC, we're going to open a diamond. Our partners are going to bid a spade and we're going to bid a no trump. And this shows a hand with less than 15 points. We're going to open a diamond. Partners have bid a heart. And we're now just going to bid out our shape and bid one spade. Okay. Here we're going to open one heart. Our partners have bid a spade. And this time we're going to bid one no trump. Okay, so we're showing a balanced hand with less than 15 points, and we don't have spade support. But we do have 5 hearts, and we've shown that with the 1 heart bid. So there's no reason to bid, say, 2 hearts on this particular hand. Okay, we can show a relatively balanced hand by just bidding a no trump. We've already shown the 5-card heart suit by bidding 1 heart. Here we're going to open 1 spade. This time our partner's now bid at the 2 level, showing a decent amount of points. And now we just bid 2 no trumps. Again, we're showing less than 4 cards in either diamonds or hearts. Otherwise, we could just bid 2 diamonds or 2 hearts here. So we're denying holding 4 diamonds or 4 hearts. Otherwise, we'll just bid them. And also we're denying holding 4-card club support. And we've also got less than 15 points because we bid 2 no trumps. Okay, so we've opened a diamond with this hand. Partner's now bid a spade, and we're now just going to support them. We're going to bid 2 spades. So keeping the bidding low, we're not jumping or anything, we're just supporting our partner. We're bidding 2 spades, and we're showing that we've got a 4-card spade support. Okay, this time we've opened a diamond, they bid a heart. Now this time we're now jumping to 2 spades to show our 4-card major, and also we've got a decent amount of points. We've got 19 count, and this should really be game forcing. Again, we've got a heart, we bid a spade. Now we're going to bid 2 no trumps. Okay, this shows 18 to 19 points and a balanced hand. 1 spade, 2 clubs. Here we're now just going to bid 2 spades. Okay, we've got a 6-card spade suit. So we're going to bid 2 spades. We've opened a diamond, they bid a spade. Okay, and now we're bidding 2 hearts. So we're going through the barrier. Create a barrier, an invisible barrier after 1 diamond of 2 diamonds. So by going through that barrier of 2 diamonds, we're now showing a strong hand. Again, a diamond, a heart. Okay, so this time we are going to jump to 3 hearts. Okay, so rather than just bid the minimum of 2 hearts, we're going to jump to 3 hearts because we've got a 15 count. Partner then can decide if they want to go to game or look for slam from there. Here we're going to open a heart. They've bid a spade, and now we're going to jump to 4 spades, show our 19 count. So even if they've got a 6 count for their bid, we've got a 19 count. We're going to bid 4 spades to show we've got enough points for game and support. Going to open a spade. Partner's going to bid 2 clubs. This time we just bid 2 diamonds. Okay, so we've got a 4-card diamond suit. We bid out our shape. We're now showing 5 spades and 4 diamonds. A club. They bid a diamond, and now we're going to bid a heart. Now, when they bid a spade, supposedly, we'd then just bid 1 no trump. So we bid a club. We bid a heart, now showing a 4-card heart suit. They bid 1 spade, and now we've just bid 1 no trump. Okay, showing less than 15 points. 14 count, we open a diamond. They bid a heart. Okay, and then we're going to bid 2 hearts. So here, rather than bid, say, 1 no trump, we're going to actually support here with a 3-card heart support, because bidding a no trump here with such terrible spades, only 2 of them, and we've got 3 good hearts here, we're going to kind of lie and bid 2 hearts. It's more of a natural, more of a better bid, I'd say, in the long run, to bid 2 hearts here rather than bid 1 no trump. Okay, we've got a 19 count. We've opened a heart. Partners bid 3 hearts. We can just go and bid 4 no trumps now. We've opened a spade. They've overcalled 2 clubs, and we're just going to bid out our shape and bid 2 diamonds. They now bid 2 hearts. Okay, and now we're going to bid 2 no trumps. So 2 hearts here should just be 4th suit forcing. 2 no trumps here. We've got a stop in hearts, and we've not got an amazing hand. We're just going to bid 2 no trumps. Show the heart stop. Okay, let's have a look at some competitive auctions now. Okay, so we've opened a club. Now, the 1 spade in brackets means that the opposition have bid. So we've had a 1 spade overcall. Our partners have now doubled, so a negative double. Right hand opponent is now passed. We're now going to bid 2 hearts. So it's a simple negative double showing the 4-card heart suit. And we're just going to bid at the lowest possible level of 2 hearts to show that we've got a 4-card heart support for partner. Okay, we open a diamond. We get a 1 spade overcall. Partner doubles. Okay, and then right-handed bids 2 spades. What are we going to do with this hand now? Okay, here we're simply going to pass. We don't have 4 hearts. Okay, we don't have more than 15 count. And we've got a very flat hand. We're just going to pass. Okay, we can't bid 3 hearts here because we've only got a 3-card heart support. And that could get us into trouble now. If partner's got a decent enough hand, they'll double again. This time we've got a 19 count. It's got a heart, double. Partner now bids 3 hearts, which is a weak bid. Pass on our right. Okay, with this hand, we've probably got a chance of 4 hearts. Okay, the 3 hearts isn't necessarily that strong a bid. Okay, they can make other bids which are better raises than this. So that is not a strong bid, the 3 hearts, but we've got a 19 count and we decide to go for it. You could potentially pass here as well, in fairness. Okay. 1 spade, the opposition coming with a 2 club bid. Our partners double. Okay, and now we bid, they support the partner and bid 3 clubs. It's our bid. We're going to bid 3 diamonds, or we could potentially pass. Okay, so we do have 4 diamonds. We don't have 4 hearts. So the negative double from partner shows hearts and around 8 points at least. So we could bid 3 diamonds here, but we certainly don't have 4 hearts. We can't bid hearts, obviously, because we've only got 2 hearts. An alternative bid is just a pass because we are minimum with a 13 count, and the 3 level might be too high for us. The double from partner does not necessarily guarantee that they've got 4 diamonds, so you could pass, or if you're feeling a bit frisky, bid 3 diamonds. Okay, so 1 club, 1 spade overcall, double from partner, a negative double showing 8+ points and at least 4 hearts. 2 spades, and we're going to pass. Okay, we don't really have enough. Club suit isn't good enough to bid at the 3 level, so we're just going to pass. Club, heart overcall, partner doubles, showing 6+ points and a 4-card spade suit. Pass. And this hand's actually got 14 cards in it. Okay, so I'm going to knock off a diamond. Okay, it's got 14 cards and it should only have 3 in there. Okay, so here we're going to jump to 3 spades with a good 15 count, singleton heart, and 4-card spade support. We're going to bid 3 spades. If partner's absolutely minimum, they can pass. Okay, but this is very encouraging for bidding 4 spades. Got a 19 count. Goes a heart, a spade overcall, partner doubles to show the minors. Okay, what are we going to bid here? This time we're going to bid 2 spades. We've shown got a very strong hand, so this is what's known as an unassuming Q bid. We don't really know what we want to bid. We're asking partner if they've got a stop in spades. So they've shown us the minors, but we kind of got nothing to bid. We can't support any of the minor. We can't just repeat our hearts, but we're showing a very strong hand now by bidding 2 spades. So it's up to partner now to bid on and show us what they've got. Hopefully they can bid no trumps and they can maybe get to 3 no trumps. Okay, 1 spade. We've got a 2 club overcall. Partner now just bids 2 diamonds. Pass from right hand opponent. And we are now going to jump to 3 no trumps. Okay, so partner with the 2 diamond bid is showing sort of about 9, 10 points maybe, and some diamonds. So we've got a double club stock, so I think we can safely bid 3 no trumps with this hand. Okay, so we're going to look at something called a Jordan 2 no trumps, good raising partners suit. So it's going to heart, double from the opponents. Partners now bid 2 no trumps. Pass from right hand opponent. What do we now bid with this hand? Okay, so here we can simply bid 3 hearts. We've got a minimum kind of hand. So the 2 no trumps is basically a good raise in 3 hearts. So rather than just bidding 3 hearts after a double, we're going to bid 2 no trumps, which shows a good raise in hearts. Here we've got a minimum, so we're just going to bid 3 hearts, and then it's up to partner if they want to continue bidding. So if they've got a little bit more than a minimum, they can go on if they want. Again, 1 spade, double, 2 no trumps. Okay, pass. What are we going to do? So here we could do 2 things here. We could bid 4 hearts, which would be a splinter bid. Or you could actually play this as a Q bid, showing like first round control in hearts or something like that. But I'd probably play a jump bid here to show a splinter bid, showing shortness in hearts and a good hand that's can underwrite 4 spades. Now, partner can go on from the 4 hearts, you know, possibly. If they've got something like ace of spades, ace of diamonds, and the king of clubs, then 6 spades should be pretty easy contract. Okay, so a support double and for the major. Supposing it goes 1 heart, we open 1 heart. Okay, and our partner bids 1 spade. And now we get an overcall from the opposition of 2 clubs. And now we double. Okay. So this is what's known as a support double. We're showing 3-card spade support. Okay, we've already shown our 5-card heart suit. So here this just shows a 3-card spade support for partner. To this moment, we know that partner's got 4 spades, but we don't know if they've got 5 spades or more. So we want to tell partner that we've got a sort of partial fit if they've only got 4 spades. So we've got a 7-card fit at least if they've only got 4 spades. So here the double from North shows 3-card spade support and opening points. Obviously it's opening because you've opened the bidding with 1 heart. A bid of spades would now guarantee 4-card spade support. So some partners play this with just the majors, but you can also play this with the minors as well. So let's have a look at that. So it could go a club, pass, diamond, spade overcall by the opposition, and now we double. Okay. And this now shows 3-card diamond support. So if you're playing support doubles for the minors, it shows 3-card diamond support in this situation. Okay, so here the double from North shows 3-card diamond support and opening points. A bid of diamonds would now guarantee 4-card diamond support. Now some partners play this with just the majors, but you can play the minors as well. Okay, so the downside is if partner has 4-4 in the reds, you could miss your 4-4 heart fit. Okay, so if partner's got 4 diamonds and 4 hearts, they might decide to bid diamonds before hearts first. Okay, so some people don't like playing support doubles for the minors because here, if you just play kind of double for takeout here, so you could add 1 club, 1 diamond, 1 spade, and now you could double to show a 4-card heart suit. Okay. So that's what you kind of lose by playing support doubles for the minors in this position. Okay, so here end of the lesson. I hope you enjoyed that. Hope you found it useful. And we'll continue lesson 3 in a little while.